Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with probiotics. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: fresh milk, a high-quality starter culture containing live probiotics, and a clean pot. Selecting whole milk often yields a creamier yogurt, but lower fat options work too. Remember, sterilizing all your equipment is crucial to ensure only beneficial bacteria thrive in your homemade yogurt. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Next, gently heat your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. This step is vital as it denatures the milk proteins, creating a firmer yogurt and eliminates any undesirable bacteria. Stir constantly to avoid scorching. Once heated, let the milk cool down to a temperature range of 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 40 to 46 degrees Celsius. This specific temperature range is perfect for your probiotic culture to thrive. Now it's time to introduce your starter culture to the cooled milk. Mix it in gently but thoroughly to ensure even distribution of the probiotics. Carefully pour this mixture into clean jars or your yogurt maker. Maintain a consistent incubation temperature, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 12 hours. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become, so check it periodically. After your yogurt has reached its desired thickness, carefully transfer it to the refrigerator. Chilling is essential as it halts the culturing process and helps the yogurt set even further. Allow it to chill for at least 4 hours for the best texture. Your delicious, homemade probiotic yogurt can then be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your fresh, healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.